If you've watched the AgilePoint platform overview, you may notice small overlap with the content in this video. Alright, for the next section of the security series, let's talk about application level permissions. The first thing that we'll want to do is enable application level permissions. So from the AgilePoint portal homepage, I'm going to select my portal level menu and click on Settings. From the Settings tab, I'll select Tenant Settings. And I will scroll down to the section titled Application Permissions. As you can see here, by default this is turned off, so I'm going to select Yes and click Save. And I have now enabled application level permissions. To modify those permissions, I'm going to go back to my portal level menu and select Manage. From the Manage Center, I'm going to select Application Management and click on the Permissions tab. And from here, I'll select Application Permissions. Now, the first thing that I'll want to do here is select the application that I'd like to manage. Let's select my support ticket application. And to edit it, I will click the pencil icon. And as you can see here, there are 4 tabs at the top. Let's quickly go through what each tab covers. Designers is pretty self-explanatory. This controls the ability to see the application from the Build Apps menu and edit this application, whether that's from a data perspective, process, forms, integrations, etc. Process Initiators controls who can create a new instance of this application. Those that can view the report view, which shows a point-in-time view of the application data that's been captured. And then the Owners tab here gives a user or a group the ability to specify additional groups and users for any of the other tabs that you're seeing here on screen. For any one of these categories, I can manage it on a user as well as a group basis. In clicking on the magnifying glass with an empty field here, it's going to return all of the users or all of the groups that are available. And then I can simply select on an individual basis as well as in bulk who I'd like to add for this permission. To do so, I'll select the appropriate entries here and click the plus icon. And upon saving here, I'll want to click the Update button here on the bottom right-hand corner. Now the experience is very much the same for any of the other categories here. Again, I can manage this on an individual basis as well as in groups. Click the green plus icon and then click Update. Now, to specify application permissions, I need not necessarily go through the Manage Center. In fact, during the application design process, you'll be prompted to specify application level permissions if it is applicable to your organization. So what I'll want to do here now is find this application from my list. And as you can see here in my menu, I have a button for application level permissions. Similarly, when I'm publishing the application, I will also be prompted to specify app permissions. In closing, let's review what you've learned in this module. You now know how to set application permissions for users, groups, and roles, as well as how to restrict access for application design, initiation, and access to the report view. This concludes the content for this video.